Breakfast with Bob.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Hope you all had a great week. Well, here's something I wanted to bring to your attention that's both fun and functional. In fact, the word functional has the word fun in it. If you took the word fun out of it, it'd only be fictional, and that's not fun. It's not even a word. Anyway, this pen will bring your brand, your logo, your name in lights. Also comes with a stylus, making it really convenient for you to find your favorite Breakfast with Bob video on your tablet or your phone. And you're probably wondering, does it write well? Oh yeah, it writes well. This pen is great for conventions, sales call leave-behinds, even for human resources to be included as part of your onboarding kit. Want to know more about this or thousands of other different products that will help promote your brand? Give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about them. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend.
Breakfast with Bob.